Hey guys, hoping all is well with everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Mindscape Stories and Solutions. In this video, I wanted to take the opportunity to thank you for visiting, but also provide a small sample of the content and the material that you will find while navigating the channel's videos, posts, polls, and playlists. This channel foundations a lot on academic support for all audiences, but to begin, if you guys are a big book reader, I love to do read-aloud stories for all diverse audiences. As you can see, for my younger readers, I like to do a lot of read-alouds that are illustration-based or picture-based, while also implementing inspirational, motivational, and uplifting messages and lessons. My favorite book series so far has been the Secret Zoo series by Brian Chick. He's an incredible author and really engages the mind and imagination through a story and series that has a lot of animals, mystery, and adventure as well. In addition to my read-alouds, I love to engage with the mathematical community. Being an academic supporter in mathematics for about 10 years, I love to be able to take the opportunity to make math less intimidating and daunting to students, and the way that I find myself being able to support that endeavor is by posting videos with a step-by-step breakdown and process of a lot of challenging math problems, whether it be from video requests to modern-day math software programs, whether it be Delta Math or Desmos Math or other platforms, as well as social media as well. And again, being able to show the full process of the problem from beginning to determining the final solution, while also being in a high level of detail and showing the red flags of things to watch out for and where the simple mistakes can be made, and how to avoid them with some very strong strategies. In addition to the individual math videos, I like to also engage on a weekly basis with the community by posting a fun real-world application problem that shows how we use math in the real world, that really asks the question, how would you solve this problem? And really being able to bring the math community together, whether it be students of any grade level or mathematical educators and teachers and instructors, and allowing us to bring all of our ideas, showing how we can solve these math problems from many different angles and perspectives, and really just being encouraging and supportive to each other while taking the opportunity to bring the subject of math into a very positive light. Last but not least, I love to do a lot of hands-on science demonstrations and experiments. This one being the classic elephant toothpaste experiment, really being able to look at the fun topics of science, not only in biology, chemistry, or physics, but looking at all possible grade level material topics from elementary to middle school to high school, to even some of those more challenging college-based science courses. But really looking at making it a fun and engaging environment for students, again, of all grade levels, and not only doing the experiment itself, but also circling back and being able to look at the real finer points and details, really highlighting the scientific process of the big question, looking at our hypothesis, the experiment or the demonstration itself, and then really being able to look at and analyze what we determined, and being able to determine a conclusion from those analyses. But again, really providing a fun and engaging environment with those demonstrations. But I hope you guys really enjoy the content that you find while visiting the channel. If you have any requests at any time, please remember this is a channel that is on the foundation of the endeavor of supporting students in any way that I can, whether it be to post a fun read-aloud story with an uplifting message, or to show the breakdown of a very difficult or challenging math problem. Again, bringing the math community together on a weekly basis to be able to bring math into a positive light, or to post a fun scientific demonstration. If you guys enjoy the content, please feel free to like and subscribe. But again, thank you all so much for visiting my channel, and as always, please take good care and be safe. Bye.